Hello and welcome back to Ashley Life. In today's class, I want to show you how I turn my day 3 hair into hair that you wouldn't know is day 3. So this is me fully ready without my hair done, and I'm gonna just show you how I do my hair when it's on day 2, day 3, sometimes even day 4. I try not to wash my hair that much just because it's not super good for it. And if I can make it without washing it, that's like saving a lot of time in my day because, as you know, when you wash your hair, there's a whole lot more that goes into getting ready, and ain't nobody got time for that. So I'm gonna show you what I do. So first off, this is my hair after sleeping on it. I pineapple my hair at night, so if you don't know what that is, I'll leave a link for you. I've been doing a middle part this week, so we'll stick with that. I usually start off after washing my hair and letting it air dry. I kind of go for a straight look. The next day, depending on how I slept on my hair and how well it kept, sometimes I'll go straight again. Yesterday was day 2. Actually, maybe today is even day 4. But yesterday I decided to curl it a little bit. So that's why we still got some curl. And honestly, that's not even looking too bad. It's a little out of control, but it's not looking too bad. So let me show you how I start. The first thing I do is brush it out. And I always start at the ends, just because even though it looks pretty okay, there's knots in here and it is still a little out of control. So I just brush it out starting the ends and work my way to the top. Now, as I get to the top of my head, I do tease my hair, so I do have to work through it just to kind of get the tease out. Now at this point, I usually take a look at what my roots are doing. Are they greasy? Do they need some dry shampoo? Usually yes, but today, honestly, they're not that bad, but I'm still going to add a little bit. Now you can go ahead and use normal dry shampoo. I also have a class on my little secret baby powder is a great option for dry shampoo in case you don't have any, you ran out, you're like, oh no, what am I gonna do? Baby powder to the rescue. And also this little size is the travel size you get from Target. I like to take this on vacation just because I feel like it travels better. So let's use this. And as you can tell, I have dark roots and I still use this, so it works. And as you can see, I'm not a perfectionist. I don't take a comb and go through it. I just kind of part it through myself and put it where it needs to go. Then you just dust it in. And if you ever have like excess little white, you can just take a little bit of your spit and go like that, and it goes away. No problems here. And then I like to take a big tooth comb and just kind of put my hair where I want it. So if I wanted to change up the part, I could. I just kind of, I'm feeling middle lately, so we're doing middle. And then from here, I have my flat iron and my curling iron ready to go. So I've been using the T3 single pass that I got at Costco. I have a class on that too. And I also have an old Conair curling iron, just a really thin barrel. And I took the clamp off of it to make it more like a rod, and it works really, really well. So this is what I curled my hair with yesterday, but I'm gonna go in and just kind of get this under control a little bit. I don't want to necessarily take the curl out. I just want to take any weird edges that came about while I was sleeping. And mostly I just concentrate on the ends because that's where it kind of gets frizzy. I really don't like curly curl. I like wave curl, so I like the ends to be a little bit straighter anyways. And then, you know, if there's anything crazy going on in the back, you can kind of just fix it up. And what I love about day 2, day 3, day 4 hair maybe, is that my hair already has hairspray in it. It's already been played with. It's already had curl, and my hair just holds so much better when it's like that. Day 1 hair, oh my gosh, to try to get my hair to hold a curl is just impossible because it's so soft, and I have pretty thin hair. So day 2, day 3 hair is always better for me, and I feel like I just get like a better style out of it, but that's just me. And so now, I don't know exactly how much touching up I'm gonna have to do curl-wise, but usually it's pretty minimal, and I tease from here to see where I'm at and then touch those pieces up. If you don't know how to tease, I have a class on that too. Sometimes I do my makeup first, sometimes I do my hair second. Sometimes I do my hair first, sometimes I do my makeup second. Just kind of depends on what mood I'm in. If I feel like I'm really tired when I wake up, I sometimes just want to let my face like come to life before I start putting makeup on it. And so I'll do my hair first. So in those cases, after I tease my hair, I just leave it like this the whole time I do my makeup because I just feel like it helps the hair kind of stay more voluminous throughout the day. I don't know why, but it just does for me. So I just keep it like this as I do my makeup, and then I will touch up the hair after the makeup is done. So I'll just kind of tuck my hair behind my ears, do all my makeup, and then once it's all done, I go here, and again, I'll take my big tooth comb, and I kind of just lightly control the tease. added any more curl to my hair. I haven't really done anything except brush it out and tease it again. And you can kind of see that it brought back, not necessarily the full-on curl that I had yesterday, but it brought back like a really cool wavy look. And I've only done 3 steps. I've brushed it, teased it, and then tamed the tease, and I feel like this hair is kind of fun. So always remember to check the back of your head. And yeah, I mean, I really like this. From here, I'm just gonna spray it and go. Now, if I wanted to, I could add more detail of more curls, but it kind of depends on how much time you have, how much you really want to spend on your hair that day, what you're doing. I'm just gonna go out and run some errands, get my car oil changed, that kind of stuff. So I really don't have to look all that crazy fancy. Let's just spray this real quick. And another trick I like to do is lean my head sideways, and I like to spray the hairspray into this little like space. I feel like it like helps the hair stay off my face and doesn't get matted down so much. I just spray all over. This is my absolute favorite hairspray, the Suave Pump hairspray, the number 8. I love it. It smells good. I actually get compliments all the time like, oh my gosh, you smell so good. And I have nothing on except my hairspray, so it makes me laugh. Super affordable. Go anywhere to get it. Target, CVS, wherever. I just love it so much. And with the spray, like especially on, I said, day old hair, day 2 hair, you can kind of crunch it up a little bit, make it look like messy cute. So. And here we are. Hair's all done. I'm ready to go out and do my errands. I hope this has been helpful and you've learned a thing or two, and maybe that you don't have to wash your hair every day, or maybe just how to make that hair wash last a little bit longer. But before you don't go washing your hair, make sure to like and share so other people can like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next class. Now all I need is some jewelry for the finishing touches. I love me some earrings with feathers in it, let me tell you. And I love, love, love stacking bracelets. I don't know what it is, I just love it so much. But hey, if you're new to my channel, I'm Ashley. I do hair, makeup, and life hack classes weekly. So please do hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so it lets you know when I upload a new class. See you soon.